What about email newsletters? So imagine I'm a Shopify seller and I've collected some emails, so not on Amazon, but on Shopify.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to be sending them something like some follow-ups. So what if you are a makeup brush seller, what you going to write about? Are you going to just say, buy my next brush? Or like what you will put in your email newsletters later to them?
Do you want to ask for recommendations or just in general advertise something?
You want to sell more products to the same people.
I want to say, okay. Then if you have the data and you can categorize by which special, like which product they have bought, not just brushes in general, but you can really categorize, okay, they bought a brush for eyeshadow, they bought a brush for like blush. That would be perfect, because then you can personalize it way more than if you're just thinking of all the people as just your customers, because you know exactly what they bought. And then I would always start out with, I don't know, I hope we are happy with your brush, whatever. So it's really personalized. Just to let you know, we launched some new amazing brush palette, blah, 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 and then just continue and try to sell them more. Also include a video. Very good. To see how smooth they are to the skin or whatever, or how they are made. Just deliver something that makes you special.
Okay, so always a video, right? Like an image with a play button. That's what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.